So this is how Saudi Arabia decided to open up Riyadh entertainment season. They projected an image of the Kaaba and then had singers and dancers writhing around and singing half naked in front of it. This is literally what it has come to in Saudi Arabia. I'm not really surprised. The monarchy and the government there are responsible for the Yemenis. They are responsible for the conflict in Sudan. They are normalizing ties with It's Not Real. So anyone that thinks that MBS and his government have any connection to Islam is sadly mistaken. And the worst part of it is, I know and I understand your intentions, people, but those of you that went on Hajj, those of you that went on Umrah recently, this is what your money is paying for. This is what they are doing with the money of all those good Muslims that want to do one of our 5 pillars and do the pilgrimage to the Holy Land. And they take that money and they spend it on half-naked singers like Jennifer Lopez and disrespecting the most important structure in the whole of Islam. Like, whose bright idea was it to go, hey, I know, we're going to have this concert, it's going to be really good, we're going to get the best singers, dancers, we're going to have lights, and guess what? We're going to put the Kaaba in the back. And the fact is, this got sanctioned all the way up to the top of the pile. So you're a bunch of shaitanis, that's what you are, a bunch of haramis, shaitani haramis. And you, sadly, have the keys to the most holiest land, the most holiest earth, the most holiest sites for all Muslims. And it literally breaks my heart, but it also fills me with a lot of rage. So damn you, Saudi government, damn you, MBS, and damn you, the whole Saudi monarchy, and damn anyone who is supporting this.